everyone. We are now around the San Bernardino area and we're so excited for our road trip. Jovian, where are we going?
Road trip?
I know, where?
Continue
Where are we
for
going?
2 miles.
Where are we going?
Where are we headed? Disneyland!
Disneyland! Woohoo! And the cast of characters are Darwin, Virginia, and myself.
And me?
And Jovian! Alright, so we are finally in Orange County and we are about 9 minutes away from our lodging. We actually started out from the Bay Area, left Newark around 8:30, stopped for breakfast, and then took Highway 5 at least most of the way. Stopped somewhere around Coalinga to gas up and pick up some snacks. And now it's about 4:37. Huh? Where are we going? Where are we going again?
To our hotel.
Oh! Disneyland!
Disneyland.
Summer's long gone, baby. The first snow is about to fall. Everybody's waiting for what's to come. We gather round the chimney, sitting close to keep us warm. The mistletoe is hanging at the door. Christmas is the time to set your mind and spirit free. Everybody smiling while we decorate the tree.
We are now inside our room. It's pretty nice. What?
I got the card.
Yes, he does. He opened the door, huh? You opened the door. Yeah. So let's give a room tour. Okay? All right. Here is our bathroom.
Good.
Yeah, it's nice.
I bet.
Although I would think that it would be a lot bigger for an executive suite. All right.
You know, it was the way it was stated though.
Guys, can I open the curtains, guys?
Joby, please. Put
Oh,
these
hold
in
on.
the pen.
Where is, oh, the, wait.
This
Oh, here.
key.
There's the closet.
Key.
Oh, and this is how you close. Got it. What else is in the closet? Safe, iron,
Wait.
the two beds, our TV, and the bar area. Great. A working desk for me. And we actually have a view.
Joby, please.
That's what they opened.
What was that?
In beds.
Yes. What else?
Chairs.
Yep.
Closet.
That's not a closet.
Drawers.
Drawers. And what's
Ice
that
box.
one? What's this one, Jovian? This one.
There.
Yeah. Oh, it's a fridge.
Refrigerator.
Yes.
What's not on?
It's on.
What's
There's just
that? What's
nothing
that
in there.
other? We have two fridge.
I guess so.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Oh, that one is not on, I guess it what he was saying. This one is on. This one's not.
Oh,
It's not
I
on,
see.
you're right.
Oh,
Okay.
there's a switcher on.
Okay.
It might be no, don't touch it.
Okay.
It might be broken, that's why they didn't turn it on.
All right. So now we're just gonna freshen up and step out.
Guys.
Right. So we are now walking towards downtown Disney to have dinner, and it's about a 20-minute walk, supposedly, from our hotel to downtown Disney. So let's see. now at Ralph Brennan's Jazz Kitchen. Unfortunately, Virginia and Jovian can't join us for dinner because walking over from the hotel to downtown Disney, Virginia decided to bring those those luggages where a child can ride on it, which you pull instead of push. Well, we did not know that those were not allowed inside the park. You can definitely bring a stroller, but it has to be something that you push in front of you and not something that's dragging behind you, and none of us knew that. So they had to walk back, and they just didn't want to come back here, which is understandable. So we are having our dinner for two. I ordered the blackened chicken mac and cheese. I did not realize that the mac and cheese was going to be a penne pasta. But that's okay. So here we go. Let's try it. Okay.
That's what I wrote. It's supposed to be elbow.
Flavorful. We do taste the cheese. Not too much cheese. Al dente. The chicken pieces are huge. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. And I am having banana bread beer with it. And it's such a novelty because it smells like banana and there is a taste of banana. It's not overwhelming.
It's really good. I like it. Halfway there.
But it's so funky. It's really good. The beer itself is really good, but there's an aftertaste of banana. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy the rest of my dinner. All right, so now we have finished with our entree, and I wish that for my mac and cheese that it was just a tiny more cheesy. But in any case, so now on to dessert. We are having the maple bacon beignet. One of my goals on this trip is to try the seasonal food creations and snacks offered around here in different restaurants or cafes. So the first seasonal snack we're going to try is this maple bacon beignet. All right.
It's already in here before I
Okay.
use my fork. Oh, meron palang extra.
Quite heavy, hefty. And there's ice cream included and sauce on the side. And I believe the ice cream is vanilla. Yeah, vanilla. All right. So I'm gonna put a little bit of sauce. I'm gonna put a little bit of sauce and try these beignets.
Verdict.
For me, I like it that it's not sickly sweet. Although it's not as fluffy as I would like it to be. It's a bit crunchy on the outside, but it's not pillowy. The texture is not pillowy. It's it's more like a donut, you know? Well, when you're here, try it for yourself. And two more additional observations about the beignet. I didn't really taste any bacon. I really wish that it was baked in there, or a lot more of it on top, because it's a combination of, I think, bacon and like a crumble of like pecan or some kind of nut. And as far as the side sauce is concerned, I think it's almost like a marshmallow fluff, which if you pair it with the beignet makes it a lot sweeter. But with the ice cream, it's actually pretty well. I'm actually on my last bite. So finished with dessert. And so now I am on a hunt for some Mickey ears. I hope I'll find it here at downtown Disney. It's not as big. The area of downtown Disney is not as big as I remember it to be, but that was like 10 years ago, almost 10 years ago. So wish me luck.
Christmas is the time to leave your ego out the door. Everybody smiling while we dance around the floor. If I could, I wish for you to spend Christmas here. Christmas is
All right, I found something for Bailey. I got him a, what is this? A Star Wars collar. I like this one. All right, I'm gonna hold on to one. Look at these are so cute. Oh my God. Ah, which one? And then here's another one, but this one's pink, so I'm passing up on this one. And then there's also this one. So cute. OMG. Look at that. Oh no. So many hard decisions. That one is Princess Jasmine. And then there's those. Those are Princess Tiana. Oh my gosh, jackpot. Oh my goodness. I mean, they're pretty expensive, so I really don't want to get more than one, but dang. I love this one. It has buttons. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. And then there's these. Not holiday-ish. I have a very expensive decision to make.
From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay.
back at the hotel. So if you guys want to know what Mickey mini ears I bought, you guys will have to stay tuned. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell icon below to get notified of new videos. So from my mind side to yours, definitely more to come. Thanks for watching.